Are you ready for this video? Well, you better be, because it's going to take a bit of a while. So let's get ready to rumble!
Welcome to Conquering the... Wow, welcome to Conquering the Flying Blocks world. Lol, is that literally flying blocks? Actually, I might turn the light down on this. Yeah, it is, you'll see a bit. So, my job is so simple. To get down without hurting myself the least. So, let's get ready. I'm still going. I can't see. I'm still blind. Okay, I just failed. I just failed. I'm gonna get out now and try again.
Fast motion!
If I'm getting any closer, oh no.
I'm just doing fast motion because this bit takes ages.
I want to see a bit more better. And in that Johnny News where I answered the question, which there was mentioned, and I just can't do too. Yeah.
Yeah, can't do the answer was to the question.
This box in my way, I'm just going to delete it. Keep going. So eventually I'll leave this to the top again. That's another one. I'm back there now.
Fast motion.
Yeah, I can go up there when I'm placing more blocks. So let's venture through this world. But that Minecraft, it's not much. I like it because, well, the free version is nice, but it's okay, but there's only one problem. You can't see it with the free version. Failed again. I'll just go up again.
Fast motion again.
Hey, I would suggest to download it. It's a good game. You know what I mean? Hey, look at me, I've got videos like this. And I'm back at the job again. For the third time.
Right. You might be sick of my voice, so I'm just turning from normal to squirrel.
So please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And this is Johnny's Dozzle surviving the blocks. Something well